Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the magical world of the Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis. If you're up for it, let's set off for this incredible adventure together. Our first stop is Jokulsarlen, one of the largest freshwater lakes in Europe. The unique geological structure of the ice makes for stunning visuals as we take in the mesmerizing colors of the sky above. Now, let's head north towards Kexlouten, an Arctic resort. It's the perfect spot to witness the Northern Lights since it's right next to the Arctic Circle. We'll stay in a glass igloo hotel, taking in the extreme temperatures and stargazing from the comfort of our beds. Next, we'll visit the famous Northern Lights Memorial. This magnificent sculpture by artist Jarkko Toponen honors the people who have observed the Aurora Borealis in the area. Finally, we'll make our way to Ivalo, a picturesque Finnish town known for its hot springs and beautiful nature. We'll take a warm sauna and enjoy some traditional Finnish cuisine while reflecting on our incredible journey. And there you have it, a thrilling vlog script about our Northern Lights adventure. I hope you enjoyed following us as we explored this breathtaking natural wonder. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you next time.